Is your TikTok feed stuck on a loading screen? Or are videos refusing to play? Let's get your TikTok back in action, pronto. First things first, let's rule out a simple app glitch. We're going to force close the TikTok app on most Android phones. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to show recent apps. Then swipe the TikTok app card upwards to close it on iPhones, depending on your model. You'll either double-click the home button or swipe up from the bottom and pause mid-screen to see your open apps. Then swipe TikTok away once closed. Try opening TikTok again. Next up, internet connectivity. TikTok needs a stable connection if you're on Wi-Fi. Forget your current network by going to your phone's Wi-Fi settings, tapping on your connected network, and selecting Forget Network. Then, reconnect to it by entering your password if you're on mobile data. Try toggling your mobile data off and then back on again. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one is more stable. If the issue persists, let's clear the app cache. Go into your phone's main settings, find apps or applications. Then locate TikTok, tap on storage and then select clear cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing problems without deleting your account information. Important: do not tap clear data, as this will log you out and delete settings. An outdated app can also cause headaches. Head over to your device's App Store, the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Search for TikTok and check if there's an available update. If there is, tap Update to install the latest version. Sometimes the problem isn't with TikTok itself, but with your phone's operating system. Ensure your phone's software is up to date. Go to your phone's main settings, look for System or About Phone, and then Software Update if an update is available. Download and install it. Your phone might need to restart to complete the process. As a last resort through troubleshooting, you can try logging out of your TikTok account within the app and then logging back in. This can sometimes refresh your connection to TikTok's servers if after going through all these steps TikTok is still not working. It might be an issue on TikTok's, and you can check their official social media pages or help center for any known outages.